What's happening today, my friends? So today, right now, I'm on my way to go meet up with another YouTuber, motovlogger. So let's run that intro, and I'll pick this back up when I get there. Alright guys, we're pulling into Wawa here, and I do believe I saw the person we're meeting in the back here as I went by. Ah yes. What's up? Those are guys don't know, Vulcan, PA. If you haven't checked out his channel, please do. Fellow motovlogger. Alright guys, we're back on the bike. I'm gonna see in my mirror what's behind me. We're gonna take a ride down to the covered bridge in Valley Forge. And if you watch Walt, you know he does a lot of covered bridge stuff, so he's never been to this one. I figured we'd take a ride down there. So just kind of lay back and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, we're running into Valley Forge Park here. Walt is still behind me. A lot of fallen trees back here. That's a pretty big one. See that you got people walking down there by the stream. was the tour of the covered bridge in Valley Forge Park with Walt and myself. So we're gonna head on. We're gonna stop by Rapstan Bridge, check that one out again, and from there, who knows? What's that?
That exhaust is deceiving. It's not that loud when they're behind you. You get under that overpass. Holy shit.
Yeah. I haven't got really on it though either, so. Alright guys, we're going to be coming up to the bridge here in a minute. So, this is pretty much so where I'm going to end the video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to comment down below. And as always, if you are not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe, because 85% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you'd like to subscribe, I'd love to have you on board. Alright guys, so until next time, my friends, stay safe and love one another. Peace. And here's the bridge. So, peace.